Hello students, today we are going to learn a language activity that is presentation skills. Presentation skill is an important component in the soft skill basket. Presentation skills means PowerPoint presentation. It is a mode of communicating ideas in a systematic and convincing manner by using ICT, means information communication technology, through relevant charts, graphs, pictures, videos, and diagrams may be used to interpret thoughts or message effectively. Presentation skills involves the following things. First one, ability to interact with the audience. Second one, understanding the audience. Third one, planning a systematic and structured presentation and transmitting the message with clarity. In brief, it means preparation, creation, checking, rehearsal, refining, finalizing, and presenting. For preparation of the slides, the following is the basic sequence of actions for preparing a presentation up to the point of actually delivering the presentation to an audience. First one, define the purpose. Students, while preparing the presentation skills, you must know for what purpose you are preparing, for whom you are preparing, and what outcomes and reactions are you seeking. And the second one, you must know the objective of your presentation: to inform, to inspire, to entertain, to demonstrate, to prove, and to pursue. And third one, you must identify the subject and gather the content for that and estimate the audience and the requirements. Fourth one, you structure the subject matter. Fifth one, you plan the presentation, and it means what style, elements, props, equipments you need for that. Sixth one, prepare the presentation, wording, design, graphs, charts, videos, pictures, whatever you want, you prepare for that. Last one, practice and rehearse. At last, get the feedback from the experts. How to structure presentation slides? For presentation slides, you have to prepare each slide with each content. The first slide should be the introduction slide. In that, you must mention the title of the presentation, date you should mention, and presenter's name also should mention. And in the second slide is the outline slide. In this, you must mention the main points of what you will talk about. Then follow the structure you have laid out and start broad, finish specific. You must decide what needs to go into each slide and simplify the content. Third slide, contents should cover detailed information based on your outline. You can use as many slides as you need, but remember, PowerPoint is more visual than verbal because a picture is worth 1,000 words. So use pictures wherever necessary. The final slide. In the final slide, the audience will take away the last thing you say. So make the last slide meaningful. In that, provide contact information for follow-up. Pose a question for discussion and finish with a joke or a light-hearted conclusion. And put a black slide at the end. And while using text, use the highlight your presentation. Don't create a substitute for it. Include bullet points, not complete sentences. 4 to 6 points per slide should be there. And while using, don't use the blocks of text. And you can include images. Images should be good, not pixelated. out of focus too dark. And you can also use the diagrams and graphs, and you can also use design. While using design, use a consistent background and layout for all slides. And font size you must choose properly. You should not use cursive or ornamental, and minimum of 18 points to 20 to 24 is better. And color, while using color, high contrast dark or light on dark you should use. And at last, you must check your work carefully. Check for spelling mistakes and grammatical errors. Check for logic and the flow of information. And last one, try to test your presentation in the room before you talk. Okay, these are all the process you must follow while preparing the slides. And for your purpose, here I have given one of the example, that is PowerPoint presentation on the effects of pollution. In this you can see there are 8 slides. In the first slide, that is the title slide, second slide the explanation, third, fourth and fifth, sixth, seventh, all these are explanation about the pollution and its effects, and the last slide is the complementary slide. So in this way you have to prepare the presentation skills. Thank you students. Thank you. Wish you all the best.